How to be confident on camera.
Earn income and influence as the true you on camera.
I define confidence as changing the conversation you have with yourself to turn your thoughts into action. And this is especially true in front of a video camera. So how do you get that video confidence? Step 1. You must commit to making videos. Practice, practice, practice your talking points in the shower, in the car, wherever. Or record your script or talking points as an audio and then listen back to it 100 times so that you're ready when you hit record. And you can start by making videos for yourself, watching them back and asking, how can I improve for the next time? With every new advance in the quality of your videos, you can then show them to friends who will be nice, ding, then friends who will be honest, aka harsh, and you know who they are. Then a few trusted clients who won't drop you for a bad video. And then the world. And if you want to put your progress on speed dial, then you can just show your videos to the public from the get-go and collect every ounce of feedback that you can. And that's the fastest way to video mastery. Step 2, visualize your video success every day. Instead of seeing myself like this, I visualize this. I'm training my brain to see myself as a sexy beast on camera so that my body believes it's already happened that way and will take action that much more easily. Step 3, tame your inner critic for the day. Ba do ba ba do da ba do ba ba ba. Love her and then send her on her way. Ba do ba ba do da ba ba ba. Before you hit record, put your inner critic in the back seat behind plexiglass so she can't make a peep. She can come along for the ride, but she can't drive. And guess what? You cannot listen to her. She can come out when the shoot is over, because there's a time when you need her by your side, and that's the time to watch a replay, because she's a master. She'll tell you faster how to improve. She might drive you video cray-cray, but that's a small price to pay, because if you listen to her, you'll get your digital payday. Okay? Tame your inner critic for the day. Step 4. Stop comparing yourself to other Susie Q's in your space. You don't think I have competitors? But that doesn't stop me, because there's always going to be people who are prettier, smarter, funnier, and more successful than you. It's true, but there'll always be people who are uglier, dumber, sadder, and worse off than you. Like the guy whose job it is to gather the golf balls at the driving range while it's still open and filled with golfers driving. And that's the truth, Ruth. So only focus on the needs of your audience. Help them be prettier, smarter, happier, and more successful than their competition, and they will become fans and clients for life. And step 5, and this is a crucial step. With as much faith in yourself as you can muster, you must say, I am good enough. And even if you don't believe it yet, you must take video action. Roll your shoulders back, stand up tall, imagine that client who really loves you. Look into his or her eyes, hit record, and help them. And that is how you become confident on camera. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it with someone who will care. Hit the subscribe button, and if you'd like my free training on camera confidence, sign up using the link below. And always be the true you on camera.